Lego Control Plus. This is I think the large servo motor. I don't remember the name exactly. It wasn't running very good, so I decided to open it up and lubricate it. Lego motors are just about impossible to take apart. What you'll want is a nice little X-Acto knife and come in here, and you'll want to trim. I'm not going to put it back together for the video. You'll want to trim these little teeth down in these pockets. Trim them down, and then you'll get in between and force this whole thing up. Because these guys, if you don't trim them down, they will not fit as you pull this out. That comes out. Next thing, this wiggles down. Now, the trick is, you might think, oh, it's not going to come out. Well, it does, but it's just very stiff. Right here. This guy pops down. Now, this little flange right here has to be inside, so you have to wiggle it and get it through that hole. And it comes out just like that. Next, this guy wants to fall out. Then this guy just slides right out in here. And next we take off the back cap with these little tabs. The wire comes out like that, and then the motor wiggles right out. And there is that. The gearbox comes apart just like that. Planetary gearbox. You got 3 gears inside there. And then you have 3 more gears inside there. You want to lube these up. And you also want to lubricate in here on your motor, plain bearings. And that's about it. It all just kind of goes back together. Make sure you also put some lube in here and there, all your bearing points. Be careful of your sensor right there. That's your magnetic pickup to this ring right here. That's how it orients itself in knowing where it's at. So I'll just put this back together real quick because I've already lubricated it. Make sure when you're doing that you make sure the gears are not binding. You gently get it to close down on itself without binding. They have to align. So just a little bit of rotation will probably do just fine. And I'm going to end the video, but thanks for watching.